Hello and welcome back to Nonsense Farm. It is Saturday morning, and when we were here on Wednesday, I had turned on the water to the camper because I needed to make some syrup to feed the bees. And when I entered the camper, I heard the sound of water like running profusely. So it turns out in the bathroom, the faucet had broken. Like one of the handles had just come off. I have no idea what caused that to happen. No idea. So I took a minute to decide, well, was I going to call Ryan, my RV repair guy, or should I try and do it myself? And I landed on, I am going to try and do it myself. And then if I screw it up really bad, then I'll call Ryan. So I have purchased a new faucet. And I also, I think, purchased all of the things to be able to install a cutoff under the sink. So if this were to happen again, I can cut off the water to the sink and leave the water on in the rest of the camper, say to the kitchen or to the toilet or whatever. So prepare for what could be a calamitous video. I have no idea. It's Saturday today. We're out here at the farm and it is supposed to rain all day. It's just now getting started. It started sprinkling. And we were up tending to the chickens. It had started sprinkling. We were going to head this way. And then this huge lightning bolt, super close. It was so loud. It scared both of us. We just zoomed right here. So now we are safely tucked inside the camper and we're going to get started on this plumbing. Here we are in the bathroom. Kind of close quarters to be filming in. Hold on, let me get Thina situated here. There we go. Close this door to give us more space. All right, so I bought a new faucet. It's the same type as the old faucet. I bought the old faucet. I got one that looks a little different. Isn't it cute? And so now the water is turned off to the camper and I just need to figure out how to get the old faucet out. So there goes nothing. So these are the two pipes that go up to the faucet, and I think I'm supposed to be able to just unscrew them. So here I go. I can't see up under there, so I'm just kind of doing it by feel. I don't know how the audio is coming across with the rain outside, but it is raining hard, and of course being in a camper, you can sure hear it. Let's see, is it? It's loose, but it's not completely free yet. Maybe I need to look up a YouTube video. What do you think?
Need one of these. Start by making sure your RV is disconnected from city water, as well as removing the old sink drain and stopper.
YouTube to the rescue. The thing I was trying to, that I thought would not twist, it does actually twist. So that gave me, watching that video, gave me confidence to go ahead and twist harder. I don't like to force anything because what if I'm breaking it? So, but I did get it. All right, now let's get the other one. Finally got it. All right. Got them both loose. All right, that faucet should come out now. Unlike the helpful video that I just watched on YouTube, this is not a how-to video. This is just you watching me trying to do something out of my comfort zone. All right, let's see what is still holding this in. Well, even though I have my boot off, it's still a little tender getting up and down. Oh, I see, those things need to come off. Okay. These things need to come off the underside of the faucet. Okay. Came off, I did it. And I'm getting water everywhere. Okay, excellent. Next up, new faucet. Here's my cute new faucet. It's got a new one of these things. And it's got new screwy on things. See, I told you this is not a how-to video. I don't even know all the terms for things. trying to put it back together the way that I took it apart. If this works, it'll be a miracle. Okay, I think I got it. Look at this. Oh, you know what that means? It means I put it on backwards. All right, so I put it on backwards, and yeah, because, yeah, all right. The hot is supposed to be over there, I think. Let's make sure. Plus the handles, I think, are supposed to go forward to go on. Let's see if there's any leaks down there. I don't see any. Yeah, that's the hot side. All right, if it was just the handles backwards, I wouldn't change it, but I feel like it is important to have the hot and the cold on the right side, so heading back off to turn the water off. Guess what? It's all fixed. No leaks or anything.